cheap, they're great quality, and they're also stylish and chic and trendy. Like, what? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. To those of you that are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Today's video is a summer clothing haul. I'll be showing you pieces that I got from H&M, Levi's, and Shein. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Super happy with these high-waisted shorts. These are from H&M and I paired it with a tube top that I also got from H&M. And these shorts were $15. What a steal. They are nice and tight, but they're stretchy tight. And the tube top, it's perfect for just like a nice summer day out. If you want to see the back of the shorts, makes your butt look lifted up and it's perfect. It just looks really, really good. And you could even pair this with a nice belt. So I paired it with my Gucci belt, and this is my staple belt that I wear with mostly all of my pants, whether they're short or long. So these are the second pair of shorts. They're actually darker, and I paired it with this black tank top. So I got this tank top in 5 colors. I got it in pink, white, black, green, and beige, because these are so cute and they're just really stylish. You can wear them with anything. These pants are really nice too. If I turn around, you can see these look really, really cute. I'm surprised that they fit so nice, because usually I have a problem with shorts. Either they are too big here or too big by the waist. And so these fit really, really nice. I really love. Let me pair it with my staple Gucci belt to show you guys. Okay, so again, the same Gucci belt with different types of pants and a different shirt. And look how nice it looks. I am ready for the summer. These are so cute, and these were actually 25 bucks. So not too much either. These shirts are $5. So this is more of a sporty look. These pants I got from H&M for 10 bucks, and this is the shirt that I showed you guys earlier, but I have it also in beige, like I mentioned. And these pants are kind of see-through, so I would be very careful. Like, I would probably wear this with a nice jean jacket or like a nice sweater, something to throw over it so that my butt is covered, because as you guys can see, you can see my panties. It's super see-through. But this is a really cute outfit if you're gonna just do some errands, or so you can pair it with a jean jacket like this. This jean jacket I actually got from Zara about 3 years ago. Really staple jacket, and it's a long jacket, so it'll cover your butt. That way no one's seeing the transparency of the pants. But look how cute this outfit is. And you can pair it with some nice sneakers. If you want a sporty chic look, you put your makeup on, your hair done, and you look ready to go. So these jeans are not really summer material, but these are really, really nice jeans for a night out. These are Levi's. I actually got them at the outlet for 15 bucks. Can you imagine 15 bucks when they're usually like 80 bucks? And these are super nice because they're all slim. You can see in the back how nice they look. And then you can pair it with any tank top or any sweater, any shirt really that you'd like. And of course, the staple piece, which is always my Gucci belt. You can't go wrong with some Levi jeans. We go into the bathing suits now. These bathing suits are all from Shein. And by the way, 2 of these are my friend's. She actually didn't like the way they fit her, so she gave them to me. And I hadn't tried them on until now. So I really love the way it fits on the boob area. And these pants are almost like high-waisted, but they're a perfect amount. If you go to the back, they are cheeky. And honestly, for the price, the quality is actually great. I think these were like 6-7 bucks. So this is a really nice summer bathing suit, and it'll leave you a nice tan. So this is the second bathing suit, also from Shein, and this one is the same style as the first one, but this one is in solid neon color green. And I just really love neon colors. They really just make you look bright, make you look alive, make you look happy. I don't know. It's just, this color is everything. Look at this. The material is just nice and comfy. So this is another neon green. However, this is a different style, and this one is actually a size bigger. This is a medium. The other two were smalls, and this doesn't fit me as nice as the other two just because they're a little big. So I don't know if you can tell, but in the boob area, they're definitely bigger. And then on the bottom area, it's just a little bigger. This is the last bathing suit. I am obsessed with these clear spaghetti straps, and they have them here on the side as well. I don't own many black bathing suits, but this probably has got to be my favorite black bathing suit just because of how different it is, and I just love the entire fit. This is a medium, but it fits to the T. So sometimes a small will fit better for my body, and then sometimes a medium will fit better. In this case, with this specific style in bathing suit, the medium fits best. That is it, you guys. We are completely done with the summer clothing haul. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.